Guys, check this out. So I'm over here in Lone Oak, looking at a flat roof portion of a house. Check this out, guys. See this flat roof behind me? So this has been a project for the homeowner for a while. It's had a lot of hands in it. So let's see here. So if I come over here and I'm lifting up the edge of this shingle right here, if you see that, that is where this membrane ends. You also notice there's black and white. We'll talk about that in a second. But that membrane ends only, you know, that much, 3 inches up under the shingle. That needs to be more like at least 3 shingles width up on the roof to make sure that water doesn't get up under there, come back down and leak like this, unfortunately, customer is experiencing. I also know there's been a coating on here. You know why? Check this out. Look, the brush is still stuck to the roof. How crazy is that? Guys, seriously, you deserve better. Give Integrity a call.